In this video, I will be sharing with you how to use Enscape custom assets downloaded from the internet, and I will be sharing with you some custom assets I made on my website for free. The link will be in the description. Keep in mind, this method is for all CAD programs you are using Enscape with, but I will be using Revit. Now without delay, let's get started. First, you need to create a couple of new folders on your computer. I'm going to create a new folder here. Let's call it Enscape Library. Then let's open this, and here we need to create two more folders. Let's call this one 01 Assets Projects, and let's create another one, and I will call it 02 Custom Assets. So the custom assets projects files will be stored in this folder, so you can edit them later on once you create a new custom asset, and the main files will be stored in this folder. Now let's link these two folders. Let's open up Revit and then go to Enscape, open up the asset library, and here let's click custom, and as you can see, we don't have any custom assets showing up here because we haven't linked any folder yet. So to link the folders that we just created, you need to click here. So if you have created multiple custom assets folder before, you might see this warning. You just need to click keep, and here as you can see, it's asking us to set the custom assets projects folder. So let's click here, and I'm going to go back and select this assets projects folder, then click next, and we need to go back, and this time I will choose this custom assets folder and click save and close. Now our Enscape assets editor is open. To change the location again, you can always click here, configure, and it will open up the same dialog box. You can change the folder location later on if you want to. And now let's see how we can copy the files that you downloaded from the internet. Here as you can see, I have these files that I shared on my Patreon. When you open it, you will find this Enscape custom asset folder. Let's copy this, and when you open this folder, you will find these two. So this package file should be copied into the projects folder. So let's right click, copy, and go back to this folder, and here I am going to copy that into this folder. And then you just need to simply copy this and paste it into this custom assets folder. And let's go back to Revit, and as you can see, we now have this custom asset showing up here. If I close this, we should be able to see it. As you can see, it's not visible here, but when I open the custom asset editor, it's showing up here. That's because right now the main custom assets folder is not linked properly. If you also face this problem, you just need to make sure this folder, this source path, is set to the folder that we just created. So here we have it, Enscape library, and then you need to link this folder. And now it should work fine. There you go. As you can see, this asset is now showing up here, and I can easily load it into the project. Now one more thing, let's say you want to create a new category for different custom assets. You can do that as well. Just open up the editor again, and here you have the option to create a new category. Just click add category, and let's call it sofa, and you can assign a suitable icon for this category. So for this one I will use this sofa, and let's click add. As you can see, this new category is added. Now to add this asset to this category, you just need to drag and drop it onto this one. There you go. Now it's moved from uncategorized to this sofa category. Let's click save and export. Let's close this. As you can see, the category is not yet updated here, so you need to restart the asset library. If it still does not work, Sometimes you just need to restart your CAD program to make it work. Basically, I tried to talk about all the possible errors you might face when adding new assets. So that's how you can install custom Enscape assets. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, and just to remind you, you can download free custom assets from the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.